In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Airtable. If you found yourself struggling with how to make your screen view a bit more spacious, you're in the right place. Whether you're getting absorbed in a large spreadsheet or simply want to adjust what's displayed on your monitor, knowing how to zoom out can enhance your workflow considerably. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Airtable website. If you're not already familiar, Airtable is an intuitive, flexible platform made for building next-gen apps. You can do remarkable things with it, from personal projects to collaborative business endeavors. So, open your preferred internet browser and head over to Airtable's homepage. Once you are on Airtable's main page, you'll want to sign in. Look for the sign in option, which you can typically find in the upper right corner of the screen. Simply click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Input your credentials and access your account. Now that you're signed in, you'll be directed to Airtable Home. This is essentially your command center on Airtable where you can navigate through the different bases and projects you're working on. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you should see your recent activity and options to create new projects or continue with existing ones. Once you're here, you're ready to adjust your screen view. The key combination to zoom out on Airtable is quite straightforward. All you need to do is press the Control key and the minus sign typed at the same time. This command helps by reducing the magnification of the page, allowing more content to fit on your screen. It's a simple shortcut that can make a significant difference, especially if you're trying to get a broader view of your data or your app setup. Take a moment to try this yourself. As you press these keys simultaneously, you'll notice the content reducing in size, making more elements visible without the need to scroll or navigate extensively. It's a quick and effective way to customize what you're seeing to better suit your needs, providing a broader perspective on your projects. And there you have it. By following these few steps, you've learned how to zoom out on Airtable efficiently. Adjusting your screen view can make handling data and apps less cumbersome, offering you more visibility and a smoother experience. Keep practicing this easy shortcut and you'll soon be able to adjust your view effortlessly whenever you need it. Thank you for joining me and enjoy exploring everything that Airtable's versatile platform has to offer with your new view settings.